I've lived in Michigan all my life, and I was familiar with the Petoskey area. I had come here for many years with my family, particularly with ski weekends, which were great memories. And there was a great position at the hospital, and so both for the position and the area, I came here. Once I got here, I fell in love with the hospital and its people, its mission to provide care as we would for our own family. And we are very excited about the success we have had recruiting physicians here. And it's not only physicians, but other types of providers such as physician assistants, nurse practitioners, etc. What I find attracts people here is its location, its beauty, the feeling that people can safely raise a family here, the quality of the schools, and also the types of services that we provide here at the hospital. We hear over and over from physicians that they find it remarkable that a hospital of this size and in this size of community provides the number and range of services that we do.